Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Target 100 in Mathematics by Shivesh Kumar Singh, and today we are going to talk about operations on matrices. As I have told you, operations means some basic calculations like addition, subtraction, multiplication. Okay, so the same thing we are going to talk about the matrix. Let's start the topic, and meanwhile I will talk with some examples also. I will discuss some examples, very important questions for your exam, so have patience and try to understand. Okay, first is addition or subtraction of the matrices. This is very easy for you. If a matrix capital A is given by Aij with its order m by n, and B is also another matrix, this is A, this is Bij. So B is the matrix with element B, I, J, and its order is m by n. What you can see here, order of both the matrices are equal. Yes, orders is same. So what is the first condition here? Addition or subtraction of two matrices will be possible when they are of same order. Then how you are going to add or subtract them? Then A plus minus B, plus minus means addition and subtraction can be done in the same ways. So it will be Aij plus minus Bij, and its order will remain same. Means if you want to add two matrices, then you will add their corresponding elements, or if you want to subtract the one matrix from another, then you will subtract their corresponding elements. For example, suppose we have A is equal to 2, 1, 3, 4, 5, 7. Okay, and B is same order. We'll have to consider 1, 0, 9, 4, 10, 6. Okay, then A plus B. A plus B means we will add their corresponding elements. So 2 will be added with 1. So it will be 2 plus 1 means 3. Then 1 will be added with 0. So 1 plus 0 means 1. Similarly, this 3 will be added with 9. So 3 plus 9 means 12. In the same way, we are going to add this also. 4 and 4 will be added. So it will be 8. Then 5 and 10 will be added. So it will be 15. And 7 and 6 will be added, and it will be 13. Okay, this is A plus B. Now how we are going to find A minus B? In the same way, just we will have to subtract the corresponding elements. So it will be 2 minus 1, because 2 is the first element and there 1 is the first element. So here it will be 2 minus 1. It will be 1. Then 1 minus 0. It will be 1. Then 3 minus 9. It will be minus 6. Then 4 minus 4. It will be 0. 5 minus 10. It will be minus 5. And 7 minus 6. It will be 1. So like this we can find addition or subtraction of the matrices. Now next can be, see this example, this question is very important from your book. Here they say, if X and Y are two matrices, then find the matrix Z so that X plus Y plus Z can be a zero matrix. Means X plus Y plus Z is equal to 0, means O. So this is, write the values of X, Y here. So matrix X is 3, 1, minus 1, 5, minus 2, minus 3, and matrix Y is 2, 1, minus 1, 7, 2, 4, plus Z is equal to null matrix. Now its order will also be same like these matrices. Okay, so its order is 2 by 3. So null matrix also will be order 2 by 3. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, now just add them because it is simple addition of the matrices. So add their corresponding elements. So 3 plus 2, 5. 1 plus 1, 2. Minus 1 plus minus 1, minus 2. 5 plus 7, 12. Minus 2 plus 2, 0. Minus 3 plus 4, 1. And plus z is equal to 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Now, what will be z here? Matrix z will be 0 means null matrix here minus matrix in the left hand side. It will be 5, 2, minus 2, 12, 0, 1. Now, it is just a subtraction of two matrices. So, 0 minus 5, minus 5, 0 minus 2, minus 2, 0 minus minus 2, plus 2, and then 0 minus 12, minus 12, 0 minus 0, 0, and 0 minus 1, 1. Okay, I am sure you understand what I was speaking here. Just subtract the corresponding elements. Okay, like this element subtract with this element. Okay, this element subtract with minus 2, like this. Okay, so like this, see how easily you can solve the questions of addition and subtraction. Okay, now let's talk about some multiplication type question, like scalar multiplication of a matrix. Scalar means any real number. Okay, scalar multiplication means if you multiply a matrix with a real number, then what will happen? So, if A is equal to Aij be any matrix of order m by n and k be any real number, then if you multiply this matrix by A, matrix by k, then what will happen? Every element of the matrix will be multiplied with the same constant. For example, if A is equal to say 2, 1, 4, 1, 4, okay, then what will be 3A? 3A means 3 is a real number and it is multiplied with A. So, all elements of A will be multiplied with 3. Okay. So, 3 multiply 2, 6. 3 multiply 1, 3. Then 3 multiply 1, 3. 3 multiply 4, 12. Okay. So, you can see how easily you can multiply with the real number or scalar number. Okay. Same goes with the division also. If I say this is the matrix A, okay, and you have to find 1 over 2A, it means every element of this matrix will be divided by 2. So, 2 divided by 2 means 1. 1 divided by 2 means 1 over 2. 1 divided by 2 means 1 over 2. And 4 divided by 2 means 2. So, this is the answer. Okay. Like this, we can do the scalar multiplication. Now, let's see one example based on this scalar multiplication, and really this is very important from your book. Okay. They say these are the two equations and we have to solve them. So, as you have done in grade 10, how to solve the linear equations in two variables, same way we are going to do this also. You see, we will do it by making the coefficients equal. So, first equation I am going to multiply by 2 and second equation I will multiply by 3. And I am sure you understood that I am making the coefficient of y equal. So, if you will multiply by 2, then what you will get here? 2 times 2x will be 4x plus 2 times 3y will be equal to 6y is equal to, this matrix will be multiplied by 2. So, every element will be multiplied by 2. So, 2 times 2 means 4, 2 times 3 means 6, 2 times 4 means 8 and 2 times 0 means 0. And the second equation we are going to multiply this by 3. So, 3 times 3x 9x plus 3 times 2y, it will be 6y is equal to, all elements of this matrix will be multiplied by 3. So, this is 3 times minus 2 minus 6, 3 times 2 6, 3 times 1 3, 3 times minus 5 minus 15. Now, you see coefficients of y are same but they are of the same sign. So, we will subtract them. So, for subtraction we change the sign. So, this matrix will be cut and 4x minus 9x will be minus 5x is equal to, and this subtraction will be 4 minus minus 6. means 4 plus 6 means it is 10. 6 minus minus 6 means 0. Then 8 minus 3 means 5. And 0 minus minus 15 means plus 15. Now x will be equal to minus 1 over 5 times 10, 0, 5, 15. Okay. So 1 over 5 means every element of this matrix will be divided by minus 5. So it will be minus 2, then 0, then minus 1, and 15 divided by minus 5 will be minus 3. So this is the value of x. Now you can put the value of x in any of the equations. So for example, I am putting the value of x in the first equation. What we will get here? You see, just we have to multiply, take care of the calculation. Okay. Now you see 2x means 2 times minus 2, 0, minus 1, minus 3, and then x I have written, then plus 3y is equal to 2340. And then now put the values here. 2 will be multiplied inside, so it will be 2 multiply minus 2, minus 4, 0, minus 2, minus 6. Okay, plus 3y is equal to 2, 3. I am just doing little hurry in the calculation because I have to cover multiplication also. Okay, 4, 0, and multiplication is little big topic of this matrix. So 3y is equal to, this matrix will go in the subtraction, so it will be 2, 3, 4, 0 minus, it will be minus 4, 0, minus 2, minus 6. Now it is 3y equals to, see, 2 minus minus 4 means 6, 3 minus 0 means 3, 4 minus minus 2 means 6, and 0 minus minus 6 means 6. So y will be equal to 1 over 3 times 6, 3, 6, 6. Okay. Now every element will be divided by 3. So what will be the value of y? 6 divided by 3 means 2, 3 divided by 3, 1, 6 divided by 3, 2, and 6 divided by 3, 2. So this is the value of y and this is the value of x. Okay. Now see, just little be careful in the calculations and you see how easily we can do the questions. Okay. Now let's talk about very important operation on matrices which is little confusing as well. I am talking about multiplication of the matrices. So how you are going to solve this multiplication of the matrices? First you see the condition, because every time multiplication will not be possible. So what are the conditions? If a matrix capital A is of order m1 by n1 and B is the matrix of order m2 by n2. Okay. See, I have written the different orders here. It means multiplication of the matrices will be possible even when the matrices are of the different orders. So when its multiplication will be possible, AB can be defined, AB can be defined if n1 is equal to m2. Means, what does it mean? It means number of columns in A is equal to number of rows in B. Okay. See, when I say AB, it means A is called pre-multiplier and B is called post-multiplier. Okay. Or I will say A is the first matrix and B is the second matrix. But when if I say BA, then B will be the first matrix and A will be the second matrix. Okay. So what you have understood? Two matrices can be multiplied when number of columns in the first matrix is equal to the number of rows in the second matrix. This is the condition for the multiplication. Okay. Because if this condition is not satisfied, then multiplication will not be possible. Now, suppose we can multiply them, then what will be the order of the matrix, order of the answer? So, order of the resulting matrix AB it will be equal to m1 by n2. Okay, means this first number and the last number. Okay, so we must know this also, because we'll have to write the elements. For example, see, if I say 1, 2, 3, 7, 0, 1, and another matrix is 2, 4, 1, 6. Now, what is its order? 3 by 2. What is the order of the second matrix? 2 by 2. How many columns do we see here? 2. How many rows do we see here? 2. They are equal. It means we can multiply them. And when you will multiply them, then what will be the order of the resulting matrix? It will be first by last. Means its order will be 3 by 2. Okay, we have not seen yet that how to multiply the matrices. We are still discussing that when we can multiply and what will be the answer or what will be the order of the resulting matrix. Now we are going to see how to multiply the matrices. Okay, for this, let's consider this example. They say multiply the following matrices. So its order is 3 by 3. Its order is 3 by 2. Now you see, number of columns in the first matrix, 3. Number of rows in the second matrix, 3. It means we can multiply them. And what will be the order of the resulting matrix? It will be first by last, means 3 by 2. So how you will find the elements? Now how we will multiply them? Just try to understand. Consider one row from here, the first matrix, and one column from the second matrix. Remember, in the first matrix we take rows and in the second matrix we take columns. Okay, multiply their corresponding elements and add them. Means 2 multiply by minus 1. Corresponding elements means first here, first here. Okay, then plus 0 multiply by 2, then plus minus 2 multiply by minus 3. This will be the first element. Now another element will be same process you will repeat with first row and second column as well. So it will be corresponding elements multiply and add them. So it will be 2 multiply 5 plus 0 multiply 0 plus minus 2 multiply 1. Okay. Now same process you will repeat for second row and first column. And see, my dear students, here is the hint that where you will write. See, this is the second row means 2. This is the first column means 1. So where you will write the element? You will write the element at 2, 1. Okay. So you will write element at 2. So what you will do here? You will write the element at 2, 1. So it will be 1 multiply by minus 1 and then plus 2 multiply by 2 plus 3 multiply by minus 3. Same repetition you will do with this also, second row and second column. So it will be 1 multiply by 5 plus 2 multiply by 0 plus 3 multiply by 1. And finally, we are going to multiply third row and first column. Okay, so this is 5 multiply by minus 1 plus 3 multiply by 2 plus 1 multiply by minus 3, and last we will multiply this third row and second column, means 5 multiply by 5 plus 3 multiply by 0 plus 1 multiply by 1. Just now find the answer. Be careful with the calculation. 2 multiply minus 1, minus 2, 0 multiply 2, 0, plus minus 2 multiply by minus 3, plus 6. Same here, 1 multiply minus 1, minus 1, 2 multiply 2, 4, 3 multiply minus 3, minus 9, 5 multiply minus 1, minus 5, 3 multiply 2, 6, 1 multiply minus 3, minus 3, and the last is 2 times 5, 10, plus 0, minus 2. Then 1 multiply 5, 5, plus 0, plus 3. 5 times 5, 25. 3 times 0, 0. 1 times 1, 1. And answer will be, it is 6 minus 2, 4, 10 minus 2, 8, minus 9 minus 1, minus 10 plus 4, minus 6, okay, 5 plus 3, 8, minus 5 plus 6, 1, and 1 minus 3, minus 2, 25 plus 1, 26. So this is the answer. So what you will be very careful for the multiplication, and you will multiply row with the column. Like this you will multiply corresponding elements, you multiply and just add them, and then you will see how easily you can do the question. Okay. Now let's see some questions based on this. For example, we want to do this question. Solve for x. Okay, now you see why I have taken this question, because there is a misconception in this question. Normally students, what they do, they interchange the second and the third matrix, and interchanging is not possible. Why? Because you have seen in the matrix multiplication that AB is not equal to BA, means matrix multiplication is not commutative. So you will multiply them in the same order. Okay, so first I am putting this 1x1 as it is, and I am going to multiply second and third. So you see, what is the order of second matrix? 3 by 3. Order of the last matrix? 3 by 1. So their rows, columns and rows are equal, so we can multiply them. And what will be the order of the resulting matrix? 3 and 1, means there will be 3 rows and 1 column. Okay, now let's see how to multiply. Here we'll take the first row and only 1 column we have, so we'll take this column, multiply their corresponding elements and add them. So 1 multiply 1 means 1, plus 3 multiply 2, 6, plus 2 multiply x, 2x. Okay, now another second row and first column, corresponding elements multiply and add them. So 2 multiply 1, 2, 5 multiply 2, 10, 1 multiply x, x, and the last third row and the first column. So it will be 15 multiply 1, 15, 3 multiply 2, 6, 2 multiply x, 2x is equal to null matrix O. Little simplify this, and then we'll have to multiply it again. 1 x 1 as it is, and here 6 plus 1, 7 plus 2x, then 12 plus x, then 21 plus 2x is equal to null matrix. Now its order is 1 by 3 and its order is 3 by 1. So we can multiply them because column here and row here are same. And what will be the order of the resulting matrix? 1 by 1, means you will get only one element. So that will be, multiply them, 1 times 7 plus 2x plus x times 12 plus x plus 1 time 21 plus 2x. Okay, it is equal to null matrix. So it will be 7 plus 2x plus, it is just a multiplication now, 12x plus x square plus 21 plus 2x is equal to null matrix. So here we are going to get, I think that, what do you say, quadratic equation. Okay, so x square I am writing in the proper order, plus for x it will be 2x, 12x, 14x plus 2x, 16x. Okay, then for constants it is 7, 7 plus 21, 28. Okay, equal to 0. See, here it was null matrix O, but now I have written here 0 because I have written element. Okay, now by splitting the middle term we can factorize it. So it will be 14 times 2, 28. And for this splitting the middle term, I made another video. If you have any confusion, you can see that video. Okay, so x square plus 14x plus 2x plus 28 is equal to 0. X can be taken common. So x plus 14 plus 2 can be taken common. X plus 14 equals to 0. Okay, and this is the very important question of NCERT. If you see, I think it is in the miscellaneous of NCERT. Okay, so x plus 14 times x plus 2 is equal to 0. It means x will be equal to minus 2 or x will be equal to minus 14. This is the answer for this question. Okay, let's take one more example or maybe one or two more important questions. See, they say if A is equal to this matrix, then show that this and hence find A inverse. Here this word hence is very important. Okay, that we'll see later on. But first we are going to show this part. Okay, see how you will do this. LHS is A square minus 3A minus 7I. I means identity matrix. So A square means you will not square the elements. This is the common mistake what students do here, maybe in hurry. Okay, so you will multiply the matrices. So 5 3 minus 1 minus 2, again 5 3 minus 1 minus 2, then minus 3a. So 3 times 5, 3 minus 1 minus 2, and then minus 7i. I means identity matrix, if you remember, 1 0 0 1. In types of matrices I explained this thing. Okay, now multiply them. How you will multiply? First row and first column. Okay, so it will be 5 times 5 25, 3 times minus 1 minus 3. Then first row and second column, 5 times 3 15 and 3 times minus 2 minus 6. Now what we'll do? Second row, first column. So minus 1 multiply 5 minus 5 and minus 2 multiply minus 1 plus 2, and then minus 1 multiply by 3 minus 3 and minus 2 multiply by minus 2 plus 4. Okay, minus this 3 will be multiplied inside the bracket, inside the multiplication. So it will be 15, 9, minus 3 and minus 6. Minus 7 also multiplied inside. So 7 0 0 7. Okay, now what we'll do here? It will be 25 minus 3. It will be 22. 15 minus 6 20. Sorry, 15 minus 6 will be 9. Minus 5 plus 2 minus 3, minus 3 plus 4 1, minus, see both are minus here, so we can add them. Okay, so minus 15 minus 7 minus 22, minus is outside, 22 inside. 9 plus 7, sorry, 9 plus 0 9, minus 3 minus 0, so it will be minus 3, and then here minus 6 minus 7 minus 6 plus 7, it will be plus 1. What you can see here? Both matrices are equal. It means it is going to be null matrix. So 0 0 0 0. It means it is null matrix. Okay. So first part we have shown. After this, what you will do? Now try to understand the meaning of this word hence. Hence means using this equation you have to find A inverse, because there are many methods to find the inverse of a matrix. So first you write the equation A square minus 3A minus 7I equal to null matrix. So A inverse, what you will do? Just post multiply by A inverse. So it will be, or pre-multiplied, doesn't make a difference. Okay. A inverse multiply by A square minus 3A inverse multiply by A minus 7A inverse multiply by I is equal to null matrix. So A inverse times A square, it will be A, minus 3A inverse times A, identity, minus 7A inverse is equal to O. So it will be 7A inverse is equal to A, means value of A is 5, 3, minus 1, minus 2, and minus 3I. Minus 3I means 3, 0, 0, 3. So it is just calculate it. It will be 5 minus 3, 2, 3 minus 0, 3, minus 1 minus 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 5. So what will be the answer? Answer will be, I am writing here, answer will be A inverse is equal to, this 7 will go in the division. So 1 over 7 times 2, 3, minus 1, minus 5. This will be the answer. Okay. Now, just see the last question also. This is also really very important from NCERT. Okay. They say find the matrix A for which this equation becomes true. So we don't know the order of A here. So what we are going to do to get the order of the matrix? See, this order is 3 by 2. This order is 3 by 3. This is the answer, resulting matrix. Okay. So what you can see here, order of A should be suppose m by n. So when you can multiply them, when number of columns in the first is equal to the number of rows in the second. So number of rows in A should be 2, and what should be the column? Because the resulting matrix is 3 by 3 and here 3 by n. So it means m is equal to 2 and n is equal to 3. So order of A should be 2 by 3. So write the matrix in the same way. It is 2 minus 1, 1, 0, minus 3, 4, and 2 by 3 matrix means suppose it is A, B, C, D, E, F. What I am writing? A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay. Now it is equal to the right hand side minus 1, minus 8, minus 10, 1, minus 2, minus 5, 9, 22 and 15. Now what you will do here? Just multiply these two matrices and then compare the equations. Okay. See, it will be 2A, then first row and first column. Okay. 2A minus D, then 2B minus E, then 2C minus F, and then the second one, it will be 1, 0 with AD. So it will be A plus D, it will be 0 because D multiplies 0 is 0, and then 1 multiply B means B, 0 multiply E means 0, 1 multiply C means C, and then 0, and finally minus 3 multiply A, minus 3A plus 4D, and then minus 3B plus 4E, then minus 3C plus 4F is equal to, this matrix comes here same to same, no change in this matrix. Now compare the elements to get the answer. See, here you have only A and here you have 1. So A will be equal to 1. Here you have B and here you have minus 2. So B will be equal to minus 2. Here you have C and here you have minus 5. So C is equal to minus 5. See how easily we find these three values A, B, C. Now how to find D, E, F? With the first equation. You see, it is 2A minus D. So 2A minus D is equal to, the first element is minus 1. What is the value of A? 1. So 2 minus D is equal to minus 1. So D will be equal to 3. So here D is equal to 3. And similarly, you can find the value of E and F also. Just complete the question and write in the comment that this answer of the matrix, and if any problem then you can write in the comment, then I will complete the questions. Okay. Now I am sure these topics you understood, because some questions were difficult for matrix multiplication, and if you think that such videos will help you increase your knowledge, then please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you.